back to another boxing video. This time we have a Delta A350, or is it a 787? I don't know, maybe it's an A330. Unboxing video. But first, before we get into the video, like and subscribe if you love Jesus. Anyways, let's get right into it. I know, once again, I said I'm not uploading till May, but I just can't help it. There will be another one coming out next week, so expect it. It's going to be for my jet bridges. I'm working on a model airport. This thing ain't opening. Yeah, so it's a Delta 757, I think. Or is it an A330? Oh yeah, it's a 767. So we're just gonna open this boy up. Open her up. Here she is. These Amazon drivers suck, bruh. Or, no, well, not this one. But the previous one, the landing gear was already damaged before I even got it out. Here she is. So here she is.